Here, Mila.
Thanks, Daddy.
Balloons.
The garden looks great, Daddy, but I think we need more balloons.
More? I think you're right. Come on, let's get some.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Whoa! Oh.
Oh no! We've got a flat tire!
Floating air.
Oh no!
Stop! Whoa!
We'll rescue you as soon as we can, Daddy. But first, we need to get that helium from Orphle.
You go, Mila. I'll stay with the van.
Woohoo! Woohoo! What a fun landing! Let's go.
What? Not in my car.
Hey, I've heard of an ice cream float, but this is crazy.
Hang on!
You better be quick, because we're drifting towards the sea!
Huh?
Help!
April, can I please use your string to stop those cars from floating away? Sure. You better be quick. Thanks. I know how we can get them down. I can be a cowgirl and you can be my horse.
Mother horsey. Yeehaw.
Yee-haw! Giddy up, Morphle! Ah! Orphle, hold this. We're not strong enough.
Mila! Help!
I know. Morph into a gorilla and grab those ribbons.
Too high.
Then morph into a giant gorilla.
Help, Mila! Oh.
Pull them down, Morphle, and we'll let the air out of the tires.
Thanks, Mila.
Thank you for rescuing us.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Ready to go rescue Orphle? Hey! Winston!
Check out my new car.
Winston! That's not... A new magic pet?
It's gonna be my magic pet. Eat my dust.
We have to get that pet before Winston! Yeah! Let's go!
Huh? This'll slow you down.
Faster, Morphle! We're gaining on him!
I'm gonna get a magic pet. Huh? Let's see how you cope with slime.
Morphle! Morph into a kite buggy!
Once you're mine, we rule Petport with my cleverness and your powers. Huh? You can teleport.
There she is! Aw, hello!
Give her to me.
Quick! Let's get back to Daddy!
I'm gonna get you.
almost home.
We're stuck!
Great work, Morphle. Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh, hello. Who are you?
That pet's mine!
Sorry, Winston. You can only have a magic pet if you're their magic match.
Oh, I give up. This time...
Aww, every day's a magical day with a new magic pet.
Okay. Here you go. Good gobble frog. Good gobble frog. Huh? Still hungry? But you've eaten all the snacks!
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Mila. Gobble Frog is hungry, and we've run out of food. We need food, and we need it now.
How about a pizza?
One pizza coming right up.
Hang in there, Daddy.
Hurry, Mila!
Excuse you.
Here you go.
Thank you. Morphle, morph into a pizza delivery van. Pizza, prepare to be gobbled. Aw, baby piggies. Wait, I know what you're doing. This is for Gobble Frog. Oh, no, you don't. We have to take this pizza to Daddy. It's an emergency.
Coffee and donuts are ready.
Now that's an emergency.
The pizza! Morphle, we need to get that pizza fast. Hi, Daddy.
Are you almost here with a pizza, Mila?
I've nearly got it. We'll be with you as soon as we can. Gotta go. Almost. Almost. Gotcha. Bring me up, Morphle. Whoa. Morphle, help. Great catching, Morphle. Now we need to get to Daddy. Morphle and some rocket boosters. Let's go! Yeehaw! Ah, Daddy!
Hi, Mila! Oh, am I glad to see you!
Yikes! Who wants some delicious pizza? Here, Gobble Frog, catch!
Phew! Thanks, Mila and Morphle.
You're welcome, Daddy. Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.